Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and I hope you like it enough to subscribe. Today I will be doing some twists in my hair using some Marley hair, which I will show you momentarily. But as you can see, I already parted my hair and have it in elastic band, so I'm ready to go. And this is the same parting pattern as I did in my last braiding video. This is the hair that I'm going to be using today. It's from Toyotress. The hair is Marley braid. The length is 24 inches and the color is T30. The one I'm using today is 6-pack and I will tell you how much I used from it by the end of the video. I'm going to go ahead and open up one of the pack and show you guys what the hair looks like. This is the hair, guys. I really love the color and the texture of it, and I love Marley hair, so I know I'm gonna have fun with this one. Since I'm gonna be doing twists and I want to start twisting it from the root, I'm gonna be using my crochet needle to put it in. Here I'm just gonna use a hair tie to hold back some of the hair that I'm not gonna be twisting right now, and I'm gonna start twisting my hair from the front to the back. Usually I would start from the back of my hair to the front, but today I'm doing it different. For the section I'm gonna start off with, I'm gonna use a clip instead of a hair tie, so it will be easier to remove and put back in whenever I need to. So the hair is already split up in its own little pieces. All I gotta do is take one out. So here I'm just showing you, it's easy to just pull one off of the bundle and attach it to your hair. For my style I'm doing today, I'm gonna be using 2 pieces for each of the sections. So here I am, guys, showing you again the 2 pieces that I'm gonna be using for each section, and I'm just gonna kind of wrap them where I'm gonna attach them into my hair just to make it thinner so the crochet needle could hold on to it easier. I then push the crochet needle underneath the rubber band and then attach the hair onto it and then pull it back through underneath the rubber band. After getting it through, I take the crochet needle off and then continue to pull the rest of the hair through using just my hand. Now I'm gonna make sure both of the ends of the hair is on the same length before I start twisting it. Sometimes I pull on my natural hair to make the rubber bands tighter at the root, but in this one I'm not doing that. I then twist one side of the hair by itself and then the other side by itself, you know what I'm saying, and then I twist them around each other, and this is gonna give it a tighter twist at the root, and I do this for the entire hair anyway. It's gonna make it tighter, look neater, and stay. This way it won't be unraveling and all that, because twists can unravel easily if you don't do it tight enough. So in Jamaica we call this rope twist. I'm not sure what they call it here, but that's what I'm doing in my hair right now. And this also caused my natural hair to stay in the twist instead of peeking out. So yeah, that's what I do. After I twist it so far down, because the hair is so long, I put it in my mouth. I know I'm probably putting germs in my mouth, but I gotta get the twist, you know what I'm saying? And this is what it looks like. I absolutely love it already. Now I'm gonna move on to the second one and do the same thing. Again, you want to push the crochet needle underneath the rubber band, then attach the hair to it and pull it through. Then you want to continue pulling the hair through underneath the rubber band, and then after I did that, I measured the hair just to make sure they are both on the same length. Then I start twisting the synthetic hair with my hair one side at a time before I start twisting them around each other. Because I recently cut the ends of my hair, I have to work like a little bit harder just to keep these my natural hair from peeking out in these twists. And I have to say the hard work does pay off, because they were nicely tucked just like I wanted them to. And here we go again. This is what they look like so far. Now I'm moving on to the third one in the front, and I'm zooming it up just so you guys could have a better look at what I'm doing, and I hope you could see exactly what I'm doing here. And now I'm gonna speed through the rest of this because I feel like I covered the most important parts already. I'm just gonna speed through this part until we get to the end. As for the parting of the hair, I mentioned that I parted my hair, or I did a video showing you guys how I part my hair, and it's the same thing I have right now. So I will just link the video for that down below so you guys could check that out just in case you're interested. I only did the front of the hair on camera. As for the back, I did not because I'm doing the same thing, you know, over and over, all over in my hair. So I just feel like, you know, it wasn't that necessary. But if I'm wrong, please let me know in the comment box below. I'll try to fix that in another video. At this point, I was all done with the first half in the front, and now I'm gonna move on to the second half. So as you can see here guys, I'm all done with the front, and as for the back, I'm gonna go ahead and do it off camera because like I said, I keep repeating the same steps and we don't want to be sitting here all day for that. So yeah, I'm gonna go do it off camera and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. And this is it guys, I did it. I am so in love with it. I'm so proud of myself right now for finishing this look. Believe me, it's not easy doing certain twists, especially with me having my hair, you know, freshly trimmed. It was a little bit of a challenge, but I mastered it and I feel good about that. I know you guys say I'm the queen of box braid and all that, and yes, I'm flattered. Thank you so much. But even for me, sometimes doing certain hairstyles is challenging, and that's the reason why I try to encourage you guys, even if it feels, you know, hard to do. Don't give up, just keep trying and you will get it. Like, I promise you, patience is the key. If you don't have patience to do this, you're not gonna do it. But if you believe in yourself and you keep trying, you'll be able to do it. Because I have a lot of people comment and tell me all the time that it's because of me. They could box braid their hair and stuff like that. So if other people could do it, why can't you? It's just, you have to believe in yourself. So again, this here that I use is from Toyotress. I use 4 of the 6 packs that I showed to you. Also, you know, I'm gonna be using them 2 packs to do something else because I always do. But anyway, I will leave all the information for their website down below so you guys could find them and check them out. They have really nice hair. I use them all the time and I really love their hair. This is what the back look like, and no, it's not heavy at all. I actually put it up in a bun, you know, for the most of the time I have it in. That's how I sleep with it, up in a bun. And if I'm going somewhere, then I'll put it in a different style. But yeah, it's not heavy. It's easy to, you know, style and stuff like that. This hairstyle took me somewhere between 5.5 to 6 hours to complete. I could have done it faster than that, but I was not in a rush, so I took my time to do it. And again, some part where my hair, you know, ends inside of the synthetic hair, I actually undo the twist there and retwist it again just because I wasn't twisting it properly to keep the hair in, so I, you know, like I said, have to unravel that part and retwist it to keep it in. So yeah, it took me roughly 6 hours to finish. As usual guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!